What's going on? It's Jay with no day because Juan's at home or at work. One. It's Thursday. Show Saturday. We're gonna start getting the truck ready for the show. It's filthy, so get a little pre-wash in. I'll wash it off real quick, clean it out a little bit, start getting ready for tomorrow. Probably be the only lowered truck there, but it is what it is. Put y'all on a little time lapse. Pick y'all back up real quick, cause I don't know how well this is gonna work. This is some stuff my dad bought, and it ain't very thick, so I don't know how well it's gonna foam, but we'll see. Cold. Joshy food.
Show prep, baby.
We're about to head out, meet everybody in Green Club. Y'all see Quan there. God.
Yeah, whenever we get to the show, we're gonna put that damn auto detail on this bitch.
I don't know how it feels when we get there.
It's cold as a motherfucker.
Who we waiting on now? Bitch out. Shit, I don't know. I don't think nobody. Hold on.
That bag got me jumping on that chopper.
Fucking bullshit. I just want to get in a track, go around that motherfucker. We're gonna go 120 around that bitch.
No kissing. It only goes to 100.
Oh shit. Technically, we only go 0.
2.
2. Yeah.
2.
We're going 200.
Yeah. 200. Yeah.
We're gonna get.
Quan, what you think?
I'm surprised that shit ain't fucking.
I'll do it. That thing will break. Hey, no kidding. shake your dread, man. Jill down there somewhere.
Go take the bottom.
Where Jill got?
No.
That's all, man.
This is like a shot.
Nigga, what?
I was. I just fucking quit it.
Take my soul speeder than my load charge. Push it on, boogie boom, murder. Hey, put that pussy on. Hey, you better put that pussy on. I ain't gonna say a word, I know you fuck with my love.
That shit was gas. Damn. That bitch gonna blow up. Before you saw her. Oh God. What? Damn. He's on stack. 2 cross members. He got 2 goddamn lifts on that shit. Damn, that bitch gas.
Walking straight up out the house, you say I do a hug and kiss you. Trying to see me every weekend. Damn, I need space to miss you. Know I love you, babe. Our problems go away with my dick in you. When I call myself trying to do shit right, there go another issue. Fuck my hoe, fuck that bitch. Fuck it, fuck, I know that shit.
You wanna take my phone, it is. You want what you want. Shit, you ain't nothing but no but dick. Man, it's toxic ass dick motherfucker. Yeah, come on. What's going on with that nigga, boy? What up, nigga? What up, nigga?
What up, boy?
What up, boy?
What a Zaza?
I know that's right.
Body lift. Body lift.
Get a truck.
Hey,
Body lift,
fuck
nigga.
it, boy. Fuck it, you big though.
No, I'm gonna take that shit off. Jason's supposed to be getting that shit off.
It will look better though, no cap.
Few minutes later.
Somebody fucking pussy ass bitch. Don't fucking do that shit, nigga. Cause that shit's not funny. Cause we
That motherfucker. Ah.
Oh God, I need these beautiful things that I
Guys, I'm scared.
Brother, what's that? What's that, brother?
Oh, okay.
You gotta do what you gotta do, bro.
I'm out here looking like a real YC. Forgot my belt.
Hey. Window tip for the house.
You heard. I didn't film my outro, so this is outro. That's it. Hello, Titty. I'm waiting on Quan to send me the rest of the videos. Then this will be posted. That right, brother.